Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon doesn't always love ColourPop mystery boxes, but
Jen won't pass one up. Today we've got the ColourPop Spring Reset Mystery Bundle.
yeah, some besties sent this to us on Facebook.
Yep.
They like it when we get it because they don't have to.
Mm-hmm.
I get it.
I think it is still available.
Is it?
Because I still am seeing it on Facebook.
Perfect.
So it always looks like they wrap things nice, but there's always a chance it's broken.
There's always something broken somewhere in a box.
Stop peeking.
What is that? What is that?
It's your
Invoice?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh boy. Okay.
Where do you want to start?
You want to do a twofer?
No.
No? What do you want to do?
Oh, they are the same word. No, they're different.
Are they?
Yep.
Okay. What do you got?
This is the Fresh Kiss Vanilla Cake Lip Scrubs.
Ooh, vanilla cake sounds delish.
Ma'am, you got a brand new shiv.
I know. Get rid of this so I don't grab for it and risk everybody's life.
So this is a typical little lip scrub tub.
This is a scrubby or a mask?
This is a scrub.
Ooh, good. Ooh, it's creamy vanilla. Is that what it's called?
Vanilla cake.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't know if I've used their lip scrub.
I haven't used mine at all.
So far so good. Let's do the
Let's do the other guy. What is this?
This is the
Orange cream.
lip mask. Mine's already open.
I'm thinking you better smell like a creamsicle.
That's what I'm hoping. It's fine.
Okay.
So no, before it's a typical little lip tub. It's more vanilla forward than I want it to be.
I think so too. I'm not getting citrus, really. It's fine. It's going to be delicious, but it's not what I
It's not
wanted.
what you were picturing.
No.
For orange vanilla. It's definitely more vanilla than orange.
Yes, I agree.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. How about here?
Let's do it.
This is the ColourPop Cloud Whip Blurring Liquid Lipstick
These
with Candy
are
Floss.
new.
You got the same color? Candy Floss?
I do. Candy Floss. These are brand new. Light, fluffy, long stay. Everybody. Oh, and blurring.
Is it the color of this tube? I'm going to pull it.
Okay.
If one of us will like it.
I know you won't.
No.
Oh gosh, I don't like that either. I'm going to have to pinken it up a little bit.
Yep.
But I can tell by looking at it on your hand that it's blurring.
Nice.
It's pretty. It's just really matte. Like, it's like not... What's the word I'm looking for?
I don't
Shimmery.
know. Yeah.
No, it's not. It's very flat. It's flat.
Right.
Okay. Let's do this guy here. Oh my goodness.
This is the liquid blush in Wildest Dreams.
I'm not touching this blush.
I'm touching.
I know you are.
I don't love a liquid blush, but I've been using them a little bit more lately.
Packaging is always incredible.
Cute.
I love that sound.
She looks aggressive.
Ooh.
A little dabble, do ya?
That's probably 3 full faces worth.
Oh.
No. Never. I cannot.
Did you see how little I put on my hands?
I did, but look how dark it is. And that was going to be a lot.
I'm afraid.
It looks like a crime scene. Her hands hurt.
I mean, I'm gonna have to play with it because I'm afraid of it.
Yeah, me too.
If you see me looking like Jen, know that I got up.
She's beautiful, special, talented. I love it.
I'm actually really excited for that.
Are you?
Yeah.
Scary.
I'm gonna swipe my hand a little bit.
Yeah, so you don't stain everything.
Yeah. I stained my hand.
Your
My
fingers.
fingers are still pink. Okay.
All right, let's do this guy.
What's that? Our boxes are not the same.
Oh, they are not. Okay.
Is this what I got in place of that?
No.
Am I missing an item?
Yes.
What the heck?
Of course. Remember when we were just complaining that something's going to be wrong with the box? We figured out what it was. So this is the ColourPop Glossy Lip Stain. This is really red, but I'm not scared of you because I love a lip stain, even though it's really...
Fruit punch.
And it looks like Hawaiian Punch. It does. I know, I'm sad too. They better make this right because I know this is going to be something that you would like.
I'm looking under things as if it's going to be hiding.
Oh, it's cute.
Okay.
Okay, this smells like marker.
Yeah, like
Sharpie. Like, yeah.
oh, it is pretty though.
It is pretty.
If you hate it.
No, I don't hate it. It's going to be really, oh, are you trying to get it off of me? It looks like it's going to stain really pretty.
If you hate it, bring it over. I'll
Promise.
All right.
Okay. Where do you want to go now?
Let's do this little ditter. This is the ColourPop liquid liner in the color Try Me. We've gotten this color before.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't do liquid shadow, so Jen's opening hers. Or liquid liner. Oh, I'm really sad.
I know, I'm sad too.
ColourPop, you did me dirty.
So is this brown or red? Burgundy.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. This is brownish, reddish, orangish color. I'm not going to use this, but
that does not look like eyeliner to me.
It looks like it should be a lip liner color, but it's not a lip liner brush. Okay.
Weird.
Okay.
We've seen these before.
Oh, yes.
This is the Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Balm in Mango Sorbet.
Ooh.
Let's give her a sniffle.
Okay.
They're just
we don't have this one.
Normal little tubes. I don't think we've gotten this flavor.
Why do you have to work out in order to get it to come out?
I don't know.
Oh.
It's just farted.
No, okay, now this smells like orange to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really kind of a pale pink.
And she is thick.
She is real thick.
I think, is that thicker than normal?
I have never had to squeeze my muscles to get it out.
She was shaking in order to get it out. Interesting.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's do this.
Okay, give it the sticky off.
Yeah. Okay. Now we go into this. This is the ColourPop Light Stick. Okay, this is a highlight. I can tell by looking at it, it's definitely not me.
Sunlight.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Y'all see that, right? There's something weird happening.
It's discolored.
Yeah.
You don't love, are you, she's going in. Oh, that actually is right up your alley.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Very natural, like a no makeup color. Yeah, very pretty. For me, it would just look ashy.
Yeah. All right, this is Strawberry Face Milk. Forthright Beauty.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh, it's a little dipper.
Oh, it's a serum?
I think. Face milk. Let me read.
I can't see that.
A comforting drop of moisture to nurture skin, formulated with strawberry seed oil, marshmallow, and lotus flower. The formula will supplement and condition skin for a softer, healthier looking complexion.
Yeah, sounds like a serum. Your neighbors are home?
Yeah. Won't be my neighbors much longer.
Okay, it doesn't, I'm not getting...
It doesn't smell like
It's
anything.
not, no. However, it feels so good.
Sunk right in.
It's kind of like a cross between a serum and an oil.
I don't get oil from it.
You're not getting oil? Oh, I am. Like, it feels like one of those really good oils that absorb really nicely. Oh, that's going to be nice. I think I'm pulling that one out next.
All right. Blue Moon. Have we gotten Blue Moon?
Yeah, and you know how I know that? Because I decluttered it. You took it. You decluttered it. And I gave it to my boss, Vicky.
Oh.
She gave it to her daughter, Cassidy.
Oh.
So, I don't know where she's at now, but yes, we've had this.
She's traveled.
She has.
We're not swatching her today because I'm not sure that I'll use her. It is a pretty blue palette. Like if you like blue eyeshadow, if you're looking for something blue for this month's challenge.
Yeah. Monthly makeup challenge. Perfect.
Let's review.
Talk to me about this box. What are your thoughts? What are you feeling? Oh, first of all, let me just say that this is the stain. I just wiped the stain off, and this is, I love this.
I've got 6 items I'm going to use. I would have 7. ColourPop. So there's only 3 items in the box I'm not going to use, and it's because I'm not using a liquid eyeliner, and that this Cloud Whip is just not my color.
Yeah. I mean, I've got 3 items. Sorry.
And not that I would never use this, but I've got 5 other blue palettes that I could use.
I've got 4 that I'm not using. I'm not touching this blush. I'm not touching this palette. This is the eyeliner is absolutely not, and this will look ashy on me. Everything else, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
But
there was 10 items in here?
Yeah, because of the color, right?
These are because of the color.
Not because you don't like
No,
the product.
no. And this
I
I'm
got 9.
excited about. We will be contacting ColourPop.
Yeah. Yeah. Last time they did send me my replacement Super Shock Shadow.
They're like, oh, it's this bitch again.
Really quickly. Did you get this box? Were all of the items in your box? And if you got this box, you probably didn't realize you were missing one. If you were.
That's what's really crappy about this kind of stuff is you don't realize you're missing anything unless you have something to compare it to.
Yeah. Let us know what you think. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring that ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.